Welcome to my new listing at 27412 Paseo Boveda in San Juan Capistrano, California. This incredible property resides behind the private gated community of Rancho Madrina. Now, fun fact, I have actually lived in this identical floor plan in the same community, and to this day, it is still my favorite floor plan out of all the properties I've ever lived in. Now, the distinguishing features of this property is that it has an oversized courtyard in the center of the property. The benefit of that is that you get a natural abundance of light through all the rooms in the entire house. Now, every single room in this residence has privacy and incredible views of the San Juan Capistrano mountain range and even the ocean. Now, this is a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath, over 5,200 square feet on over a quarter of an acre lot. You have a hard time finding that in Orange County, California. The upgrades on this property are over the top. We have custom wood beams in the family room. We have upgraded flooring throughout the entire property. We even have smooth coat stucco on the exterior of the house. And if you know, you know, right? That's a big deal. This type of property rarely comes on the market, and I don't want you to miss it. If you have interest in viewing this property, please contact me. My name is Audra Lambert, 949-697-2232. Thanks for taking the tour.